children, in the previous video you have learnt how to draw angles. Now today you are going to learn construction of angles, that is right angle. You already learnt what is right angle. An angle of 90 degree is called as a right angle. So I have taken an example, angle ABC equal to 90 degree. So let us draw this. For that, take the scale, draw the base, take the protector, keep it on this point, adjust the protector line along the pencil line, then take the pencil, mark this, it is 0 here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. At this point, now take the pencil point, keep here, again here also, adjust the scale along the pencil point and draw the angle. This is angle A, B, C. This give a square mark here. This square mark indicates that it is 90 degree. So measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. We have drawn it from right side. From right side. Now we will draw it from left side. From left side. For this, draw the base, mark the arrow here, then keep the protector here and adjust the protector line with the pencil line. Now count the degrees from the left. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 70, 80, 90 is here. Take the scale, adjust it with the scale and the pencil point, draw the line, you have got the angle. So mark a square box here. This is measure of angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Name this here as A, B, C. So this is how we have to draw a right angle. Now we are going to learn to draw an obtuse angle. I have taken an example PQ, angle PQR equal to 120 degree. You already know that what is obtuse angle. An angle more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is an obtuse angle. So this measure 120 is an obtuse angle. So let us first draw the base. Mark the point here, take the protector, keep the point here, adjust the protector along the pencil line, then always This is we are drawing from right side. From right side. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Always remember that an obtuse angle will have a big opening mouth. This is 120 degree. So you can name it as PQR. Measure of angle PQR is equal to as 120 degree. The same angle we will draw it from left side. Take the scale. Take the scale, draw the base, keep a mark here, mark this arrow, then at this point keep the protector, then where along the pencil line the 0 is there, from there you count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So adjust the pencil and the scale, draw the line. This is angle of 120 degree, angle PQR. Measure of angle PQR is equal to 120 degree. Now next second example, angle ABC equal to 145 degree. So in the same manner, take the scale, draw the base arm, mark the arrow here, put the point, keep the protector on the point, adjust the pencil line with the protector line, it must overlap. Now count from this pencil arrow side as 0, 10, 20, 30 and so on, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. It is 145 as while drawing acute angle I showed you how to find 45 degree or any other smaller degree. So it is 40, 140, then this small line is 145 degree, 145 degree. So now adjust the scale and the pencil point here. Now this is angle of 145 degree. Name it as ABC. Measure of angle ABC is equal to 145 degree. The same way, now we will draw it from left side. From left side. Take the scale, now draw the base arm, put the point here, keep the protractor, adjust the black line with the pencil line, then again in the same manner this pencil line or the arrow from here, that side you take the 0 to 10, 20, it's 90 here, 100, 110, 10, 120, 130, 140, 145 lies here. So take the scale, adjust the point and the scale, this is 145 degree. This is angle ABC. Measure of angle ABC is equal to 145 degree.